We're recording you.
How old are you?
5.
5 years old?
Yep.
That's getting pretty old. What'd you get for your birthday?
Some transformers.
That looks like, yeah,
Who is it?
Bumblebee.
a bumblebee.
I
Cool.
don't like him. Sort of like Bumblebee.
It is Bumblebee.
Yeah. And what happened to him?
He got cool. Hey.
What?
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sephiroth. Happy birthday to you. Now blow out your candles. Make a wish. But don't tell us. Think of your wish and blow out your candles.
Alright. I wish I had a good day.
You wish for a good day?
Yeah.
Alright, well blow out your candles.
There.
Did you get it?
Yep. Can you take off the candles now?
Did you get it? Is it gone this time?
Yes.
You're like, it better be.
We need a very special day for this.
Just doesn't want to go, huh? What are we gonna do? Oh!
Use a fire spreader. That's better.
Daddy gonna
The
get it?
hot side. There, that's better.
It just wouldn't go out, huh?
Yeah. Can we take off the candles now?
Sure.
Yay, bye.